Okay, so let's say you use great stuff to insulate an outer wall on a floor. This floor happens to be vinyl. And I kind of went overboard and tried to clean it up as I went, like I always do, and lo and behold, it's a nightmare. So what do? You look on the side of the can, it says acetone breaks this down. The Home Depot sells it for like 15 bucks a gallon. This is like a 10 by 11 room. And these two walls I have to do basically. I'm almost done. But what you do is you gotta get like a scraper like this. One of these just to, remove the excess along. You gotta let the great stuff set for about 12 hours. I'm just ballparking there. Till it's firm. Cut out the excess, and then I'm putting quarter round down after this, so I'm just getting as close to the edge as I can. Not all the way, but close enough. So you find yourself something like this. You scrape away at it with the knife to remove the excess. Very careful. This vinyl will come right off. This vinyl is not wood, so it'll leave a mark. It's good vinyl, but you get your acetone. You pour a whole bunch in a bucket like thusly. There's my lovely acetone. And you put it on a rag, basically douse the rag in. I poured a whole bunch in there, put the rag in there, and just, after I got the lion's share off, I just, with the knife, what I could with the knife, just, I doused the rag, put it down on this, removed it, weakens it a lot. Then you can run this knife over it. Or once it gets thin enough, you can use, I'm using, I think, sandpaper, 220, 120, nothing too gritty. It looked like when you're using sandpaper, it looked like on this flooring, it looks like you're ruining the flooring because it's spreading out the gray stuff because it's still really sticky even though it's been sitting for 2 days for me. So like that little bit of gradient there. I'll go over that with the acetone and it'll come right off. Some parts, like when I was cleaning, I got a little too close with the knife, but like over here you can see it. It's a pretty good cleaned up edge. Not perfect, but it's much better than, So, anyways, that's about it. That's how to get acetone off of vinyl floors, or it probably would work better on wood because sandpaper, duh. But hopefully this helps you out. All right.